Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, you're dealing with the Poisson distribution, and you want to find the probability that 20 boxes contain a total of 20 broken crackers. The Poisson distribution can be used to model the number of events occurring in a fixed interval time or space. So the mean, which we use lambda, of the Poisson distribution is given as 1.47. So for 20 boxes, the mean would be 20 times 1.47, which is 29.4. And now we can use the Poisson probability formula to find the probability that 20 boxes contain a total of 20 broken crackers. In general, the probability that x is equal to a value k with the Poisson probability formula would be e to the negative lambda times lambda to the k over k factorial. So we want to know the probability that x is equal to 20 when lambda is 29.4. And this calculates to 0.0163. You want it to 6 decimal places though. 0.016314.